Temple of Me Detox by AmaniHerbals.com is an all-herbal, powerful cleanse that works with your body to help eliminate drugs, toxins, excess mucus, excess acid, harmful chemicals, unhealthy odors, excess fat and waste that has accumulated in our body over the years. When our system is weakened due to toxic overload, impurities will not be eliminated properly and they are retained in our body. This toxic substance, if not cleansed regularly, could lead to numerous health problems and degenerative diseases. From the time we're fetuses, our bodies battle toxins in our external world, delivered to us via air, water, skin or oral ingestion. Detoxing provides a sacred retreat from this battle and gives us the support we need to heal from stress, pollution, addiction, damaging emotions and poor nutrition. Our detox provides you with the proper medical herbs that will work symbolically with your body's different systems to help purify each aspect and awaken healthy cells. Your body is the most important home you have. Allow it to be pure, radiant and sacred so that you may have the quality of life you deserve. Always grateful, Annie, Product Manager for AmaniHerbals.com.